Hello, this is Scott from Telecoms.com, and I'm here at the 5G Innovation Hub in Rome, which is run by Tim, and I'm speaking to Atillio from Tim. So I think you've been overseeing all these demonstrations that we've been looking at over the course of the day, so perhaps you could start by giving us an overview of some of those demos.
Yes, thanks, Scott. Today we had the opportunity here in Rome to have the first 5G in the capital of Italy, showing a lot of use cases related to some verticals that are for TIM very interesting in terms of commercial opportunity. First of all, we had an area that was focused on multimedia entertainment and virtual reality, e-tourism, cloud gaming, and all the other things related to immersive video. That will be really important to build an offering for the consumer guys, not only connectivity, but with the opportunity to test and feel the latency and the big capacity that 5G could bring to the consumer. Another important area was more focus on B2B, business and enterprise. And so we have all the cloud robotics and automation of the smart factory, where we have seen the opportunity to have tactile robot or to have some other cloudification and edge computing chain for the industry, where the latency is very, very important to demonstrate and also to manage things from a central location to the cloud with some algorithms related also to artificial intelligence. Another impressive, I can say, demonstration was the connected car. This is a driven car from remote. We moved the car that was in Turin, 800 kilometers from Rome, and this is a case that is well appreciated from big manufacturers. So the opportunity to see different areas that are fitting the strategic plan of TIM to bring in 2019 commercial 5G services on top of devices and on top of our offering.
Okay, so you mentioned devices. I've noticed you've had a lot of device partners here. All the smartphone makers are getting ready to launch 5G phones probably sometime next year. Can you tell us a little bit more about the significance of your smartphone OEM partners?
For sure. One of the main activities we started just 2 years ago with a partner like Qualcomm was to create and address requirement to have exclusive smartphone, tablet and CPE for the launch of 2019. So with this agreement with the Qualcomm, we manage their ecosystem. Some names are well known like Sony, LG, the Korean LG, Xiaomi, a newcomer that is the fourth player in terms of smartphone volumes in telecom sector, but also ZTE, to try to have products that can fit the requirements in terms of interoperability, in terms of user interface for 5G. This is an hard work, as you know, because you have to control and manage the end-to-end of a network, platform and the device. Everything has to be fine-tuned in a perfect way, but the things and the products now are ready, and today we have showed physically the first prototype and products that will be commercial in the first half of 2019. But not only smartphone, tablet and prototype of products, but also CPE. You know very well that fixed wireless access is one of the big areas for 5G because you have performance similar to the fiber, and we showed the CPE from working really live from Nokia, Wistron, ASUS, some of the partners of Qualcomm ecosystem that can manage our offering of fixed wireless access in the area of digital divide or where fiber is not ready.
Okay, so let's just sort of step into a bigger picture a little bit and have a look at the potential of 5G going forward. Can you just give us some views, especially in terms of the industries or the parts of the world that are likely to most benefit from 5G?
Yeah, you know that we are already bid for for the auction, and we pay a lot for 2.5 billion euros just to have all the frequencies. What we have done, we have selected some priority verticals that in terms of market sizing, in terms of strategic fitting with the team capabilities and with the team also strategic approach and channel, can be the most realistic to be driven. So if we can split in two, we can say that on the consumer side, we will start with immersive video, 4K video communication, and virtual reality, that is to enhance our offering consumer. But our main focus will be on B2B at the beginning, Industry 4.0 and manufacturing, especially, and also smart logistic and smart object management. Smart harbor, for example, is another area, are the most important, with fixed wireless access that will give connectivity in industrial area. Slicing network with, so the opportunity to have part of the network dedicated with quality to industry to manage automation or robotics will be a key differentiator for 5G, thanks to the low latency and to the quality guarantee.
Great, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.